Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. Today we are going to see plantain flower vada. For this recipe we need one plantain flower and we have to cut it as I am showing in the video. You can just see it. Then we need one piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, 1 pod curry leaves. Cut all this into small pieces. And now I'll tell you the dry ingredients. Add enough salt as much as required and add 1 teaspoon chili powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix it well. After mixing it well, add a little bit of water to make the consistency as we can make the balls to make the vada. Now the vada batter is ready and we can keep some oil so that we can fry it. Make some small balls as I am showing in the video, and when the oil is hot you can put these balls slowly and fry them well, and you can just have it with a black tea or a black coffee. It will be very tasty. I hope so. This video will be very useful. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. This plantain flower vada is very healthy and it's very tasty too. Kids who don't love to eat the thoran will eat the vada. It's very good for making hemoglobin content more in the blood level. And I hope so this recipe will make your kids eager to eat the vada. Until next, take care. Bye bye.